Are you curious why some people instantly understand you? Meet the empaths. Empaths are individuals who can deeply understand and share the feelings of others. Empaths are the ultimate connectors. They bridge gaps between people and promote empathy and understanding in relationships. Imagine having someone who can improve communication, offer emotional support, and help build stronger communities. That's the magic of having empaths in your life. So, if you know an empath, let them know how much they matter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.